Check this out, the way it eats. So cute. Maybe you're lucky and you will see how it jumps. It's coming to me. Look at this, look at this. Is this real? It moves. Our last stop, guys, will be Taman Burung. So yeah, let's check out. It looks so cute. All of it, so much nature. It's really nice. Look at this as well. Okay, guys, just arrived to Taman Burung, and this is the place for the birds. As-salamu Alaykum, selamat datang from Taman Mini, Indonesia, and this is Taman Burung, guys. So let's explore this area of birds of Indonesia. Terima kasih. Oh, terima kasih. So guys, wow. Oh, this looks even better than I expected. Look how cute. Is this real? It moves. So, right here, as usual, in each part, you can see the map. And it's so big, guys. There's so many things to see. And you know what I like from this place? Because, of course, I already saw Komodo Dragon Museum, I saw Air Tower, and right now, this is the last place here in Taman Mini, Indonesia. So, the part that I really like from here is that there's so many trees and so much nature. Right here, guys, the first thing we have are these elang java birds. So the first thing we see is these birds, guys. Check this out. Wow. So these are the eagle. These birds you saw, guys, are eagle. Wow. And as I said, it's so beautiful nature right here. There are birds everywhere. Everywhere you can hear birds, guys. This is so beautiful. This one really looks like painted or something. It doesn't really look real. So this is Asian woolly neck. Wow. So cute. Never seen anything like this before. It really feels like inside the selva right here, you know. So cool. Right here, guys, you can see many really interesting ducks actually. With these, like the ice color, you know. It's so cute, like the blue. And right here, I don't know, it's some kind of flower that I really want to touch because I have seen so many flowers like this in the movies, or I don't know, like, you know, like, help me. Let's try to touch. I hope it doesn't do anything. You know, in the movies, when you touch, it like opens, you know, and it's some kind of, I don't know, like strange thing, like some kind of animal. But luckily it wasn't. Look at this male chicken. Wow, so beautiful colors, guys. I am not a bird lover, or I didn't expect that this place will be so nice. All these birds that we can hear and all these trees we can see, it's so cute. Look at this little one. Oh, so cute. Wow. Can you hear? Well, guys, such a cute chicken.
You wanna eat it?
Yeah. Nasi goreng with this chicken would be incredible. You know, guys, I'm going to take it home. And once again, this cute flower. Wow, let me touch. Nothing happened. So the chickens right there. Oh, cute! Look here as well. I love all these flowers, guys, all these trees. Check out this turkey, guys. So this is so nice because right here you got all the names of each bird, and look at this. So you come here and just sit here, and this is so cute. You hear all these birds and so beautiful nature. Mashallah. So cute. Right here is the place where we sit. This cute bridge. This place looks like from the movie. So beautiful place. Maybe you're lucky and you will see how it jumps. Check this out. So the name of this is Rangkong Badak. Did you see how it jumps? Oh, so cute. Wow. So beautiful one. So it eats banana. It looks some kind of, I don't know, papaya maybe? No, sandia. Wow. Also eggs. Such an experience, guys. Guys, check this out, the way it eats. So cute. Wow, mashallah, so beautiful creation. Check this out, the way it eats alone, you know? So cute, mashallah. Hi, cuteness, it's coming to me. Look at this, look at this. Did you see, guys, this Rangkong Badak was so obedient, then it eat. So cute. Mashallah, so beautiful. This place even has a huge lake. Wow, so cute. Look, all these birds. It's amazing. Look at this cuteness. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow, so cute. Did you hear that? I really hope you enjoyed all these vlogs of Taman in Indonesia. I made, I think, 4 or 5 because this place has so much to visit, so much to explore. I even couldn't visit all the places because this place is so huge. It has so many museums. It was so beautiful to visit all these places. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this of Indonesia. Terima kasih for watching and see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.